Furniture, items like tables, chairs, beds, and cabinets used to make a room suitable for living or working. Sofa, a long, upholstered seat for more than one person. Table, a piece of furniture with a flat top and one or more legs. Chair, a seat for one person with a back and usually 4 legs. Bed, a piece of furniture for sleeping on. Desk, a piece of furniture with a flat or sloped surface for writing or working. Cabinet, a piece of furniture with doors. And shelves or drawers used for storing or displaying items. Shelf, a flat, narrow piece of wood or other material attached to a wall. Or frame, used for storing or displaying items. Drawer, a box-like storage compartment that slides in and out of furniture. Wardrobe, a tall piece of furniture used for hanging clothes. Bookshelf, a shelf or set of shelves used for holding books. Bench, a long seat for multiple people, typically found in parks or public spaces. Ottoman, a padded seat or footstool without a back or arms. Couch, a long upholstered piece of furniture for several people to sit on. Nightstand, a small table or cabinet placed beside a bed. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. The furniture in the living room is very comfortable. 2. I like to sit on the sofa and watch TV. 3. We eat dinner at the table every evening. 4. My favorite chair is by the window. 5. I love to sleep in my bed at night. 6. I do my homework at the desk in my room. 7. The cabinet in the kitchen holds all our dishes. 8. I put my books on the shelf in my bedroom. 9. I keep my clothes in the top drawer of my dresser. 10. My mom keeps her clothes in the wardrobe. 11. I organize my books on the bookshelf in my room. 12. I like to sit on the bench at the park. 13. I rest my feet on the ottoman when watching TV. 14. The whole family sits on the couch during movie nights. 15. My alarm clock sits on the nightstand next to my bed.